How should you see Ensenada?
This was a short 2-hour bus ride. It was open air. We went a little bit down towards the beach, the coast area, so you were able to see the beach, and then did a U-turn and back to the city, and they left us off there for about an hour and 20 minutes. So honestly, you could probably just take the shuttle out of here to downtown if you wanted, but this gives you a good perspective of what's around here. And there's a lot of seafood restaurants and places to buy all kinds of things, tequila, you name it, it's here. But if you're going to eat, I'd suggest eating right away because you only have an hour and 20 minutes. We just took a bus that was right from the dock. It was arranged by Princess Cruises, but I know Carnival also has the same tour. It's $20 total, and it's just really just a snapshot, a really tiny snapshot of what is here. Ensenada is about 80 miles south of San Diego, and people come here for the Mexican food, culture, and nightlife. It is a seaport town. It's one of the largest on the Baja Peninsula, and there is surfing, sea kayaking, horseback riding, mountain biking, and even sports fishing. And also let me add that there are nearby vineyards that offer wine tasting.
I guess it's expensive. Okay, nothing for the money, right? What are you spending dinner? September 16th. September 16th, okay, guys?
If you are finding value in this video, please hit that like button. It helps out my channel, and I would really appreciate that. Thanks so much.
Cuban cigars. Cuban cigars right here, friends. Happy pharmacy. In the pharmacy we sell everything without prescription, right? Yeah, here in this time, friends, they have silver, and the one in the pharmacy, Real Madrid. Come here!
Made it to Ensenada, and basically the tour brought us around for about 20 minutes, and then brought us downtown to the shopping area, and then we're here for an hour and a half. So honestly, you probably could just take the shuttle for $4 and be downtown, but it kind of gave you a little bit of a snapshot of the area. It is a port city, and the beach was pretty vacant. It's about 65 degrees, I guess, so it's not exactly hot here, but it's nice weather. The sun did come out, and we're at a Starbucks right now, currently. And you can use your debit card or your credit card, and it'll be in pesos. So it was about $7 for 2 drinks, and I have an espresso, and my husband has a macchiato. So. There's Ensenada. Our fun bus is over there. It's just a shopping area here. Got lots of people wanting to sell you things here. I have a shoe shine guy and Chick-fil-A gum selling, and it's a little area here. It's probably a 6-block radius of shopping, but so far I'm seeing it's mainly on this one street. And they've got shoes and all kinds of things for sale. Guayabera shirts and shoes, leather stuff. Lots of pictures and things. All kinds of, it's kind of like a thrift store slash art center slash. Stained glass and things. Lots of things to buy around here. It's pretty much what you'll see in lots of the other ports. There's some nice t-shirts here. If you're looking for that. This is another perspective.
Nice to get I bet you get a good deal on a nice wedding dress here.
Yeah. See, Yoga's place. Yipes, isn't it? So this is the newer area. This is the getting back on the ship. It has a big populace, but we didn't see that much of it. We just saw some of the downtown and a little bit of the coast. I know there is another place called Rosarita Beach that's pretty popular, and I believe that's about 20 miles from here. And if you wanted to walk on your own, you would just go to the left there by the Regent cruise ship. There's a walking path, and they said if you take that walking path all the way through the orange buildings, continue straight through this the entrance there, and then where that bridge is, you can see the bridge, there's some water. You go left, and if you keep walking down to the left, there's a fish market, and apparently they sell all kinds of fish, and you can buy some fish and they will even cook it there for you. That's what someone was saying, and it's supposed to be an interesting place to go. I didn't go there this time. I think there's things for sale there as well. It's probably like a fruit market, open-aired market kind of thing, so that would be easy to walk to from here. But other than that, and then the shuttle, I believe that white bus right there is the shuttle. And that just picks you up and takes you to downtown. I'm not sure where the drop-off is, but it's $4. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in future cruise videos or any other videos that have to do with cruise destinations, cruise excursions, or travel related tips, please subscribe below. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, and until next time.